Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before that, introducing my name Salwa Nadia Aulia with my NPM is 075. I'm from class R4A. Before starting here, I use a learning helper application is CapCut. Okay, let's start the material. Good morning everyone. Today we will learn a very important materials that we often use in our daily life, which is about future tense. What is about future tense? Future tense is the English tense used to express events or actions that will happen in the future, tomorrow, next week, later, or sometime after now. Okay, the main characteristic of the future tense is uses the word will or be going to, and then accompanied by a base form verb 1. Often appears with time words such as tomorrow, next week, soon, later, in the future. Okay, next is future tense formula. Now we get into the important part of future tense, which is the formulas or sentence pattern used. There are two main forms that we will learn: will and be going to. Okay, the first one is will. We use will to express something that will happen in the future. Okay, here is the formula. Positive, subject plus will plus verb 1. Negative, subject plus will, not or won't plus verb 1. Interrogative, will plus subject plus verb 1 plus interrogative sign. Okay, now we look at the second form, be going to. The formula is slightly different as we need to adjust the to be form am, is, are. Okay, positive, subject plus to be plus going to plus verb 1. And then the negative, subject plus to be not plus going to plus verb 1. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus interrogative sign. Okay, here the example of formula will and be going to. For the positive, for example, she will study tonight. Subject will plus verb 1. And negative, for example, he won't come to the party. Subject will not. Verb 1. Interrogative. For example, will you help me? Okay, the first form is will, and then subject, and then verb 1, and the plus interrogative. Now, for example of be going to. Positive, for example, I am going to visit my grandma. Negative, for example, she is not going to join us. Interrogative, are you going to study for the test? Okay, next, now let's discuss when to use will and when to use be going to. Use will when we make spontaneous decisions, for example, just decided now. And then we are making a promise or intention. We are making a prediction that is not based on direct evidence. For example, I will help you now. She will be a great teacher. Okay, next is use be going to when we have a defined plan beforehand. We are making a prediction based on exciting evidence. For example, I'm going to visit Bali next week. Look at the sky, it's going to rain. Okay, future time expressions used with the future tense tomorrow, next week, or month, or year. And in today's, soon, later, and this afternoon. Okay, for the last, we have practice questions. The first is complete the following sentence with will or be going to, and the second question is change to form future tense. Okay, let's to answer this question. Number one, I blah 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 visit my grandma next Sunday. Okay, the answer is yeah, right. I am going to visit my grandma next Sunday. Okay, this number two, she looks pale. She blah 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 be sick. What the answer? Yeah, she is going to be sick. Number three, we blah 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 not go to the concert tonight. What the answer? Yeah, we are not going to go to the concert tonight. Okay, number four, look at the clouds. It blah 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 rain. What is answer? Good. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain. Okay, number five, blah blah blah. You blah 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 help me with this task. What the answer? Right. Will you help me with this task? Okay, great everyone. Next. Number one, I clean my room every day. What is answer? Right, I will clean my room tomorrow. Okay, number two, last, they play football. What is answer? Good, they will play football next Sunday. Okay, guys, you great well for this task. And maybe you can learn it again, and you can practice this task again in your home with your friends or your sister, maybe. Yeah. Okay, guys. The conclusion. Future tense is used to express events, plans, intention, or predictions that will happen in the future. There are two general forms. First, will is used for sudden decisions, promises, and general predictions. To be going to is used for definite plans and predictions with clear evidence. Both are always followed by verb 1, base form verb, and are often accompanied by time adverbs such as tomorrow, next week, soon, and others. Okay, that's all about future tense. By understanding the forms and uses of will and be going to, we can convey our plans, prediction, and intention appropriately in English. Keep practicing making sentences and using future tense in your daily activities to get used to it. Happy learning and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.